It's June the 4th. Michael Vaughan with Lee Barker, CEO of Sparton Resources. As gold reaches near all-time high records, and you've got 3 serious gold projects, but people still ask about your interest in VRB, the Flow Battery Company. Is there any new news?
Well, that's absolutely correct, Mike. VRB is a hard asset that we have, and most of our supportive shareholders are interested in it and what's going to happen and how we're going to achieve value out of it. And we don't have any public news yet about VRB, but what we understand is that VRB is in the process of splitting the company into an Asian and a North American entities.
I like that.
And that will be good for marketing outside of Asia because it will give the company the flavor and the local content, etc., that will give buyers of these batteries in North America and internationally, you know, the confidence that it doesn't have the Chinese flavor, even though it's not a Chinese company, as we well know.
I understand that. The other thing is that people are having severe doubts about lithium-ion as grid-scale batteries.
Well, this is true, and there have been fires all over North America and in Europe and Korea and China, and for large-scale use, lithium batteries and these big banks of used car batteries, etc., that are being used for grid-scale support are extremely dangerous, and in many places now they're being banned.
Well, the alternative are flow batteries, and I believe the VRB vanadium flow batteries are the best in the world. Am I exaggerating?
No, you're not. Our batteries have the best technology that's been demonstrated for flow battery use to date. We have a safety certificate, which no other battery company has for the cell stacks. The batteries are certified for ultra cold weather use at minus 40 degrees. Nobody else has got that certification. And the batteries have a proven track record of 13 years now of continuous use in multi-megawatt hour systems.
Well, I do hope they split the company. Okay, let's talk about your 3 gold projects and start with the Bruel project, which is Eldorado has the option on it. Am I getting that right?
Yes, Eldorado now owns, because they exercised the first part of their option, a 75% interest in Bruel.
Right.
And they have a continuing option to acquire from us the remaining 25%.
And that's coming due any day now?
It's coming due in about 3 weeks, 25th of June roughly. And the option is that they buy us out for cash plus an enduring royalty.
Well, I like the sound of that. Okay, now let's move to the Pence project, which you're called Critical Metals, right on the Ontario-Quebec border. What's the latest up there?
Well, it's going very well. We've actually completed about half of the ground geophysics now, and we have some excellent drill targets that we've defined in the groundwork. This has basically supported the airborne survey. We've defined the anomalies from the airborne survey on the ground, and we know a lot more about them, their directions that they dip, their strike length, etc. And these are excellent, what we would consider to be massive sulfide targets.
Okay, why? Why do you, is that?
Well, the anomalies are strong and short strike length, and in fact they're directly associated with magnetic anomalies as well. And this is essentially very similar to the Finland Outokumpu world-class style of deposits with copper, zinc, and nickel.
So you're building the case this summer for that project?
Absolutely, and we should be finished in about 2 weeks' time to 3 weeks' time, the ground geophysics on the Ontario side, and we're permitted to drill there, and we'll be ready to drill, select the targets, the best places to look for them, for the actual zones that we've defined, and we hope to be drilling later this summer.
And then you waited under the nose of the senior company.
Well, that's right. Once I get the database assembled and I can show everything, then I'll show it to a number of companies that should be interested in this, because people that looked at it before did a patchwork of exploration. That's what the old database is. And now we have a comprehensive job done on these things, and we should be able to attract somebody if we want to farm it out.
Okay, let's talk about your 3rd gold project, which we call the Oaks Project, the old Harry Oaks claims. What's happening there this year?
Well, we've defined now, as we know, historically, we did a very detailed IP survey there,
right,
induced polarization, and we have five zones. 4 of them have never been drilled, and we have now put trails into those to do the drilling work, and basically they're in the drill ready status right now. And these are zones that are potentially have copper in them as well, because on the one area we're adjacent to a producing gold mine, Alamos's Young-Davidson mine, and we're also adjacent to a former copper producing mine, the Ryan Lake mine that produced copper for about 9 years. And the geological similarities on the stuff that we have for the drill targets are very similar to the stuff at Ryan Lake, and in some ways to the stuff at Alamos's Young-Davidson.
So you want to drill more before you pass this one on?
Well, I do, but you know, we've been in contact with Alamos several times. They've had a lot of corporate transactions that have, you know, taken their time, I guess, and decision-making processes. But they actually just put a press release out last week of some very good new drill results at Young-Davidson.
Ah.
And that mine is producing close to 200,000 ounces a year of gold. You know, it's a $500 million or more of gold production every year. So it's a serious operation, and they should be looking adjacent to it and nearby for new resources, because the mine, you know, of course, can't continue forever.
But you're not the only major in the area.
No, we have Agnico Eagle in there now, and we believe El Dorado are interested in that area. And so we're in the process of actually trying to show that data to the other people that we have.
Lee, you're going to have a very busy summer. Thanks for the update today, and I'll see you soon.
Thanks, Mike. Looking forward to it.